Kersten, Kloser-Pitcher, and I will be hosting a workshop at Time for Empathy this year. It's called Making and Breaking Patterns in NVC. And the intention is to widen our understanding of what we can ask to ignite our curiosity and enlarge our palette of possibilities to enter, hold, and open a space of empathy where I myself or the other person can align and self-connect. So we will be speaking about patterns that we use, speech patterns that I see myself and other people using with NVC in order to, or with the intention to create an empathic environment. And I have found for myself that adding questions and opening up for fantasy and dreams can have a huge impact of how fast and how deep an empathic connection can be established. So I'm finding this hugely impactful and useful to think about enlarging our palette and how this could look like and how this could sound and how this could impact my possibility to bring empathy to more spaces outside of the NVC circles where we are used to certain speech patterns, right? So I'm totally looking forward. I am inspired. I bring myself, my experience, my wanderings, and an open heart for everyone who's coming to join my session or any other session in this Time for Empathy festival and this Time for Empathy space this year, which offers an abundance of inspiring possibilities. So I'm looking forward to seeing you around. Lots of love.